Hi Liliana, thanks for your question. I'll try to make this quick video. I'm not going to do your exact problem, show you what I made one, kind of like yours, sine x minus 4. I know you had like a cosine minus 2 or something like that. I'm going from negative 3 pi over 4 to 3 pi over 4, so I got a little unit circle to help us, okay? Got our little integrate derive circle here as well. We are integrating sine x minus 4, okay? So if I'm going to integrate sine, the integral of sine would be negative cosine. To integrate 4, that'll just be 4x. So finding the antiderivative of this, super duper easy. It's just going to be negative cosine of x minus 4x. Because I have bounds here, I need to evaluate that at negative 3 pi over 4 to 3 pi over 4. So it's going to be kind of a big evaluation, but nothing we can't handle. All right, so negative cosine of positive 3 pi over 4 minus 4 times 3 pi over 4. We're going to take away negative cosine of negative 3 pi over 4 minus 4 times negative 3 pi over 4. So a couple negative signs to keep out for. Okay, all right, cosine of 3 pi over 4. Here is 3 pi over 4. Cosine is the x leg. That is negative root 2 over 2. We're doing the negative of it, though. A negative root 2 over 2 negated is a positive root 2 over 2. This arithmetic, super easy. The 4's cancel out, and you're just left with negative 3 pi. So we've reduced that pretty well. Over here, I've got negative 3 pi over 4, which is in the negative direction. So 1, 2, 3 pi over 4. Negative 3 pi over 4 is this angle right here. Also a negative root 2 over 2. We're negating it again, so that's a positive root 2 over 2. All right. The 4's cancel out. A negative make a positive 3 pi. Now when I go to subtract all this, positive root 2 over 2 minus another positive root 2 over 2, those cancel out. I've got a negative 3 pi minus a positive 3 pi. So that's going to end up at negative 6 pi. So there's my answer. All right, now what does that mean? Well, what that means is the following. Move my video here. Boom, ba boom, ba boom. There's my function, evaluated by the calculator as negative 6 pi. What that means is it's talking about, here's the graph of that sine x minus 4. It's just the sine x translated 4 units down. There's going from negative 3 pi over 4 to positive 3 pi over 4. And we're talking about this area underneath the curve, or between the curve and the x-axis, which is definitely negative. The calculator here estimates it at negative 18.8, but you can see that that is the exact same value as negative 6 pi. All right, hopefully this helps. Good luck, do your best. All right, miss you guys, bye.